Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out in My Kitchen Space. In today's episode, let me show you a very quick and easy way on how you can cook your spinach. And with me here, I have my ingredients. So I have my greens over here, and these are spinach alone. I have some cooking oil, some salt, some onions, and some seasoning cube. I do not like my spinach or greens with tomatoes, but you can also add them. But I urge you to try it without, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. And without further ado, let's get started. So by now, I'm pretty sure you know the drill. Once my pan is hot enough, I'll add in about a tablespoon of cooking oil. Then, once that is also hot, I'll go in with my onions. Then I'm going to saute this until they start turning color. So I just want them to turn a little bit translucent. Then I'll go in with my other ingredients. And this is just how I like it. So at this point, I'll go in with my spinach. And one thing you should note is just forget about smell. Spinach will always embarrass you. You can see we are having a lot of spinach, but by the time we are done, it will be just less than a handful. And as you can see, that has already shrunk. I'll go in with my next batch of spinach. And as I mentioned, you can see that they are still reducing in size. So if at all you want to have a good amount of spinach, make sure you add a lot of spinach as well. And spinach does not take long to cook, so this should not be on the fire for quite a long time. So I'm going to cook this for about a minute till it has reduced in size, and so that I can know the correct amount of spinach I'm dealing with before adding my salt. So about a minute later, this is what we are dealing with. So I'm going to start by adding in my seasoning cube. And remember, that has salt. So I'm going to blend it well before I can taste for salt to know how much more I need to add. And by this time, our spinach are almost ready. So I'm going to taste for salt. You just need a small pinch, just a small one, like that. And I can taste that my spinach are fully well done. And just like that, our spinach are ready. So I've served my spinach with some ugali and some chicken, and let's give this a taste test. And as I promised you, this is such an easy recipe. You've seen it hasn't taken more than 5 minutes. Wow. Wow, this tastes amazing. Wow. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you give this a try. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.